Greetings, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Welcome everyone. It is that time of year again where we start doing some channel hops and all of these little fun things, but there's a little twist this year. We're doing something that we're calling Summer Craft Camp Takeover. So basically how it works is there's going to be a group of us crafters and you're going to be jumping from channel to channel, and each one of us crafters is counselors. And to start it off, we have Priscilla with Release the Craftin right here on this channel. You're going to be getting some prompts for all 5 of her days so that you can craft along with her. You can make something similar to her, make something different from her. It doesn't really matter. Additionally, not only if you complete all of Priscilla's prompts, if you complete everyone's prompts, there'll be a big prize at the end. And everyone's got their own theme, not only in summer camp where it's all fun and games during the day, but spooky at night. So to kick it off, Priscilla's going to be giving you guys some really fun prompts, and it's all going to be centered around So bring your not fraidy pants and join us for the summer camp takeover, and I hope you guys have fun. And don't forget to come back here at the end of Priscilla's prompts and see who's coming up next. So grab your craft supplies, grab your tents, grab your marshmallows, and let's go. I hope you guys all have fun here with Priscilla on Release the Craftin. This is April at Pink Odd Bird with the takeover on Release the Craftin. And I think that's going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this crafty flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo. Ominous? I think so.